and the bottom screen was shorted out because he dropped it in the toilet basically. And we just recently bought the part for it. That's if the bottom screen is only defective, nothing else. And the top screen works, the volume works, right? Even the 3D part works, I think.
Yep. It's all because the top screen doesn't have anything where the P can seep into. But the bottom has a headphone jack and stuff, the charger port. So that's why...
Even the touch screen works. Okay, so the touch screen works because I just touched it. And it made noises.
So it's just a black screen. Watch it just be a loose cable.
Imagine. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to actually have to turn this off.
I'm trying to make it look like I didn't just directly touch the screen.
If you hold down the power button, I think it shuts the whole 3DS down. So the tools we're using today is a WOW stick. It has a bunch of different security bits, all that you need to open up any handheld. And I'm also going to be using Link Micro Digital Microscope. This thing is awesome. It has a big LCD screen, 1080p. You can zoom in really close. You can record, take a picture. It has adjustable LED lights. All right here. You have focus control right here. Just twist that. And on the side, everything's adjustable. You could lower that. It goes all the way down. And you can move this backward, forward. This is all adjustable. And you could twist this monitor left and right. Just like that. Or up and down. If you have an overhead camera, you could do that. But it has a micro SD card, so you can record straight on the micro SD card. And it does have an HDMI output. And also, I highly suggest using electronic spray. This thing's great for cleaning out any kind of dust, debris, even toilet water.
Should do this.
Alright, so we're going to take my WOW stick right here. Hey, you broke it, you fixed it. You're the one who dropped it in the toilet.
That was 6 years ago.
I'm surprised you never dropped your phone in the toilet.
Who says I haven't?
Put it on right here.
It's not coming
No,
out.
it's great. Next screw. There you go. It'll come off when you pull off the cover.
I thought this thing was magnetic.
It is, but sometimes the screws get caught. Okay. Alright, now pull it off. Here, you can use this to pull it off.
Shing.
Use two hands.
I'll just use a screw to pull.
So careful, there could be ribbon cable connections in there.
Oh yeah.
Here, go ahead, take it off.
The screw didn't get all the way out. I give up.
How do you give up already? Use gravity.
Gravity's against me. Oh, there's another screw.
You unscrew it, and it lifts up, and you slide it out this way. Alright, let's drop it.
What if it's the battery?
We're going to pull the battery out, because it's the safest thing to do is to pull the battery
We
out.
should like clean
Here,
everything.
you do it. You're fixing this.
We should clean everything with alcohol.
I'm Yoda. I'm Yoda, and you're Luke Skywalker. Wrong end. Don't stick the metal between the positive and the negative of the terminals and the battery terminals. You'll short out the whole thing. Stick the metal thing in there. Oh, Lord almighty.
There's a little life I was able
I'm going to lose my mind. Take all those screws out. Oh. You're going to be a technician even if it kills me.
Screw you. It's funny, right?
Yes, because you said it.
Yes, because I said it. Why is there so much screws?
To discourage people from fixing it, maybe. I don't know.
I can only imagine how much harder it gets from here.
Go ahead. Slowly, it could be ribbon cable connections.
Cable, look at that.
And there is. Cable. There's cables connected to it. Surprise, surprise.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I have to unscrew stuff
so
we
you're
can
gonna
take
use
the ribbon cables out. I have to unscrew stuff so we can take the ribbon cables out. Why?
You pop this off.
What are you doing?
You can pop these ribbon cable connections off.
Can you?
Mm-hmm. Pop them off with the, I think it's called a splunger.
Papa.
Or sponger.
I'm not trying to like fold the other one in half. Wow, that was cool.
This one. So that is for the buttons. That's for the L and R1 button. Okay.
And the battery.
And the battery. Is it for the battery?
Right here.
Oh, maybe it is for the battery, probably. All right.
Can I smell it to see if it smells like urine?
Do you see any liquid? Look, that pink, the sticker, the water damage sticker that's supposed to be white and pink dots. It's all pink. So that lets you know if the 3DS got water damaged, and it did because it's all pink. Yep. All right.
It should be yellow.
So you can see it really.
Oh, and also right here.
Mm-hmm. So the water damage is on this section. See how this is white and pink dots?
Mm-hmm.
And this is mostly pink. So over here, there's no water damage, and over here, there is. So I guess you must have pulled it up pretty quick. Did you?
I don't know.
You took the 3DS out of the toilet quick?
I thought it dropped, and then I just stood there watching it, and then I was like, I should take it out. And I don't think I grabbed it instantly.
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like water damage, though.
What is this? Oh, this might get ruined. Yes.
It looks like it might need to be cleaned.
We should just clean the whole thing. It was dropped in urine.
Yeah, 5 years ago. So this is just electronic cleaner. And it's non-conductive, so that should be fine right there. Any other screws?
Yes. Right here, here.
Oh, do we have to take, yeah, I guess probably take that out. Put that on this side. Up.
Is your head blocking it?
There we go. Pull that out.
What about the screw? And the screw? Yeah, those screws go all the way down. You should take them out. That tool is like a professional at removing ribbon cables.
That might be for the LCD screen. Or the backlight, maybe. One of these.
You got it off finally?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, there's another ribbon cable connection. Everything looks pretty good. I don't see any water damage. Do you?
No.
They can see it. I mean, this has an SD card. I could record it, but I could just do it this way too, I guess. Because that screen's big enough.
Say that I'm dangerous.
You're just distracting me so bad.
What are we looking at?
I don't know, any kind of like tarnish. I do see water damage on the back side of the screen though. Alright, let's
Oh, that looks disgusting.
yeah, let's unplug this. Oh yeah, I see some damage there.
Where is that? Oh, that's something that not even a human eye can see. Clean. Kinda. Just gonna flood it. And it's out of shot.
That should be good. Imagine if that was it the whole time.
Now let's test it. Let's put it all back together just to test it.
But I think that's the top screen. Yeah, that's the ribbon cable for the top screen. The top screen's good, right?
Yeah.
So that wouldn't be it. Might as well have this hole open and just wipe the whole thing down.
You're out of shot.
Yeah, but people know what I'm doing. I'm just wiping down the whole board just in case. I mean, I'm already in here. Might as well clean it up.
I wish you'd do the same with my room.
You want me to clean up your room?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go ahead and get the screen. It has some crust on it, as you can see.
Crusty.
Old urine. That's what 5-year-old urine, dried up urine looks like.
5-year-old.
Oh God. Oh Lord Almighty.
Looks like a little smiley face. Look back at it. Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, I think you damaged the screen.
Come on, look back at the smiley
Yeah,
face.
look, it seeped in on the corners.
Yeah.
You probably damaged the internals.
I saw a little smiley face made out of pee.
Oh yeah? Let's see.
Yeah, right there.
That's disgusting. I see the nose. Okay. So that is no longer needed. Alright, so now we gotta move the internals over. Leaving? I need your help. Can you plug these two in?
What? I don't know what I'm doing.
Just push them in.
You can't do that? You're not able to do that?
Oh, she get involved. Stick your head. You're blocking the camera.
Oh, it's recording, obviously. Okay, that's why.
Right. Devin abandoned me to go Pokemon hunting. This is your old one.
Devin dropped in the shitter.
Mm-hmm. What did I say? Very good. That's R1, L1.
Right here? Right there?
Yeah.
Done.
Okay. And put these two screws in. This one goes diagonal. Move your head. You're blocking the camera. Yep. Double check all the cables. All the ribbon cables are in.
Mm-hmm.
And that one back there, that's for the bottom LCD. Okay.
Is this battery good?
Put the battery in last. Oh, put the screws in. These screws go in the four corners.
Is this battery good, Dad? Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna wait till after turn on the back panel, right?
Put the back cover on, it's gonna fall out.
It's gonna fall out.
They're locked in.
Oh. Surprised Nintendo didn't use those stupid star screw heads.
Doesn't matter. It's not gonna keep people out.
Yeah, I know, but usually they do that just to make
the new
servicing
one.
it like annoying.
Oh, that's true.
Send it to us. It's dead.
No, that's lighting up.
No, if it's red, that means it's dead.
Oh, it's on.
It's on, yeah.
It's working?
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's been broken for like how long?
Mighty sweet.
Pretty long, actually.
Oh my god.
I'm actually so shocked. There's some pretty cool games on this thing.
Lots of games on it.
Oh my god, this brings back so many memories.
Did it work?
I don't know, I'm testing it out now.
Okay. Dad, can you do the dishes for me? What are you doing?
I'm trying to clean it out.
Will it work? Do 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 do. It worked!
Oh!
I turned it off. That was me. I turned it off.
Wait, it stopped working.
No, I turned it off.
Oh, you scared me. Good job. High five, even though you abandoned me to go Pokemon hunting.
No.
Yeah, you did. Are you going to give that back to Dominic since you dropped it in the toilet and that was his?
No thanks.
Are you going to give it back to Dominic? That was his.
Yeah, you can keep it.
Give him a hug.
Thanks,
He
Dom.
doesn't care.
Give him a big hug.
He doesn't. It's just a game. Like.
I bet he wouldn't even want to touch after knowing that it was dropped in the toilet.
Is the game in it?
Yeah, Smash is in it.
Does it work? See if Smash works.
I don't know where Smash is.
So it should be in the top left. Very top left.
I just plugged it in.
Take it out, take it out. Oh, it's not even in. That's it.
So, if you dropped your Nintendo 3DS in the toilet, it can be fixed. And another thing is that the cartridge reader or the game card reader was not working. So I used electronic spray, cleaned it out, and now it's working. Now what's really cool, you can get a 201 game cartridge for the Nintendo 3DS. And you get it on, I believe, Amazon and eBay. I'll leave a link in the video description below. And you just simply place it in here. It has a micro SD card right there. And I guess whoever modded it, the game cartridge, you could play a bunch of games on it. And they used a micro SD card. And it'll pop up right here. So once you put the cartridge in, you'll see it populate right there. And it has 3DS games and Game Boy Advance games, Neo Geo, Atari, a bunch of other games, which is kind of cool. So let's go check out the 3DS games, which are right here. I believe it's DS and 3DS games, if I'm not mistaken. Look at all these Pokemon games. Tons and tons. Let's try out Mario Brothers. Oh, Mario Brothers 64? Oh, this is for DS. I'll lower the volume because I don't want to be copyrighted. So guys, if you're interested in any of these tech tools, the Wow Stick, the digital microscope, or the electronic spray, check out the links in the video description below. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. And if you know anyone that may be interested in this video, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Later guys.